Hi all, how are you all doing? I hope everybody is doing good and safe at home. So I had another topic to discuss today, which is a very subtle topic, and uh, we all have our versions for this. But yes, I have my own version. I think which will resonate to everybody, like what I'm going to speak today, is the topic called unconditional love. Yeah, interesting. Yeah. So yes, what is unconditional love? We've heard this word like umpteen times from people saying to us, "Oh, I love you unconditionally." We saying to somebody else, "I love you unconditionally." Do we even understand what is unconditionally, or do we even know the meaning, or we are just blabbering, or just saying the other person, "Ki, okay, I love you, and I love you unconditionally." Uh, to me, unconditional love is something, and I think it's for everybody. I think unconditional love is something where you do not have any conditions kept, not a single one, not even expectations, um, not even you know, uh, giving any thought that the person will come back to you, or he or she will give you validations for. Why? Whom are you seeking validations from? Why are you doing that? So that's how we do not that's how there is a difference what is unconditional love and keeping a love with conditions. So when we keep love with condition, it's like we are expecting the other person to come back and tell us, or tell that, yeah, you're so good, you're so this, you're that. But when we don't keep any expectations, and let the way be led it by God, and that's unconditional love. Be whatever comes in your life, and you still be with that person, you still be loving that person, or you know anything to do for him or her, even if you feel you cannot be together, or anything. Although twin flame universe doesn't teach us that you cannot be with your twin, but this is a random thing which I'm picking up, that our entire world is facing, you know and we are expecting out of it, out of a person, out of somebody who is also God's child. you know in this process of expecting from somebody, we forget that a person whom we are expecting something is also a child of God, and we do not have to keep any responsibility on him, because he she have their own way of expressing their love, be it saying, be it not saying. you know so that's what it is like, how you understand the other person's love, whether if the person is really telling it to you, or whether if the person is not telling it to you. How do you feel in your heart, or how do you recognize that love is uh, unconditional love? Another very very good, not even example, but this is the truth of a life. The only the only person, okay, the only entity who can love us is God, unconditionally. Have you ever realized how much he has loved us in all this while, even if we were just like a small particle in the universe? How much he has loved us. And at times we just forget him, we keep it in a corner, we keep God in corner, that and just think the other way, and forget the love what he has given us. The What does he expect from us? Have we ever thought of it? I don't think he is ever expecting anything from us. All he expects is to follow his words, follow love, follow peace. And apart from that, what is he expecting? I mean, that's not even called an expectation, but then it's a duty to divine. It's our duty. It's a service to divine, that we follow his love. We follow the love in our heart. We allow that love to flourish in our heart for him, for all the children whom he has created, for all the creatures, even like even the animals, even the smallest molecule in this universe. and and that's what I feel is unconditional love. uh, what else do I say? So, being a student of TFAS, I am realizing this. Whole my life, whole my life, I have been cribbing. God has not done anything for me. Nothing. I used to feel that whatever sorrows he gives it to me purposely. He's giving it to me because he loves giving it to me. All this while, I've just realized that. And, living in a lie that God is doing this, God is doing that. Although He's not doing anything, it's me who's doing it. Me, only me. Yeah. He has always been walking with me, standing with me, by my side, holding my hand. Always. Even if I, uh, never loved Him, never, or always ignored Him. But gradually, how He made me fall in love with Him was through my twin flame. And that is the truth. I do not shy by saying this truth, that I love God, I love the divine, I love my Allah, I love the universe, and I love because of my twin. Yes, I do. So God's love for me all this while was never gone. But to make it more subtle, make it more an enlarged way, He sent my twin flame in my life. And He said me, now you have to love him unconditionally. And I accept it. I accept that, and I receive that. That I am going to love my God, myself, and my twin unconditionally. I have no expectations. Believe me, I have no expectations. Whatever it is. And God's leading me to that. My life is unfolding like faster and faster. I can't even explain. And that's what He has given me. And that's what He's showing me, that my child, I'm giving you this, and accept it. And I do accept. I accept with my open heart. But all the love what He has given me, coming now, future, all the way long, I am just accepting it. And I know He's giving me. What else could He give me? What else could He give me? He gave me my twin flame in my life, where I started loving myself, my God, the most important factor in my life, which I ignored my whole life. How can He love me more? How? So, to prove that question to me, He placed twin flame in my life. And He placed the teachings of my Guru Jaifen Shilya. And that's where I am here, loving God more each day, each passing minute, each passing second. And He has never stopped loving me. No. And my twin flame doesn't. He loves me till eternity. And He is going to love me till eternity. So, this is what I feel right now. You know, an openness to receive all God's love. Each day when it's passing by, I feel more peaceful, more loving, more grateful towards me, towards this journey, towards God, and towards my twin flame. And I'm loving this. So guys, start loving yourself and start loving God unconditionally, because He loves you unconditionally. And you can realize that. You can realize this by coming into this journey, by taking another step, one more step to be with God, by joining or by learning Jaifen Shilya's teachings, which is a magnificent tool what they have provided to the world, and they are spreading it. We are spreading it. I am spreading it. And God is helping me with that. My twin is helping me. So I cannot ask anything much than this. The smile on my face, I know. I love that. Few months back it was like gone, shattered. But this is back again. And I want to keep continuing that. Because this is nothing. This is God's love in me, which is pouring. So, it is always said that you can only give from your cup, which is full. You cannot give anything from your empty cup. So God's cup is full, and He's filling it every day for me. He's filling that cup, and I receive that. I receive that with open heart, with openness, with all greatness, with all gratitude. I want to receive. I choose to receive. That's it. Yeah, that's it, guys. I think this was all what I wanted to share. How it feels to be unconditionally loved. Don't place responsibility on a person. He won't be able to give it to you. He or she won't be able to give it to you. No, He's not your source. God is your source. And God can only God can fill that cup of yours. Only God. And when that's filled, your twin flame follows. He will follow you, because he cannot live without love. Yeah. He cannot. Because you cannot. You're a divine child of God. If you cannot, He cannot. So keep filling your cup each day, each passing day. And be grateful for whatever you have. Be grateful on this journey, whatever it's giving it to you. Take it. Take it with an open arm. Just embrace it and walk. And ask God for another steps. Give me, show me another steps. I'm ready to walk. I am ready to walk. And He will keep placing that steps to you. Very subtle way, very loving way. He will keep it. Yeah. And don't be afraid. Don't be in this fear. Just walk. Just walk. Okay. That's it. Thank you. And be safe. Be at home. Love God. Love yourself. And love your twinkle. He is yours and always be yours. You're one. Alright. Okay. Meet you in the next video. Bye. Take care.